Alright, making my way over Demachiyanagi Station. Guess I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna keep it a surprise to where I'm going. Today is a cloudy day out here in Kyoto, so, and it's the last day of my holiday break, so I thought that'd be interesting. Alright, here we are. Keihan Railway, Eizan Railway, Demachiyanagi Station. So yeah, might be kind of obvious, but headed to Kurama.
Station number 815.
切符 IC カードは自動改札機をお通しください。
Railway to Kibune. Alright. Kibune Shrine. It's not that packed. Let's see what it's like. I'm not sure if I've been here actually. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Oops. Oh well. Alright. Kibune Village. Guess I just missed the bus, but oh well. Guess I'm gonna walk to Kibune Shrine. It's only about 27-minute walk. Should be fine. Alright, so you're greeted by a waterfall once you get off the train, I guess. Nice day today. I thought it was gonna be rainy, but it's only cloudy, so some map, I guess. Alright. So I guess slowly make our way up there, huh? Well, it's very green right now. But I guess in fall, this place is pretty vibrant, I guess. I could have took that bus right there, but kind of felt like walking today too. Gotta get my exercise down. Oh, yeah, look at this. Absolutely beautiful day. Not sure if let's go here, but check it out, right? Alright, I'm down by the riverbed. Oh, cold. Water is pretty cold. Alright, let's continue, shall we? Back onto the trail. A little bit of red. Guess these are always red. Alright, so after about 30 minutes of walking, probably even more if I was taking videos, but I think we've made it to Kibune Shrine or wherever it is, I guess. Alright, found a map, I guess, for the area. So, I'm guessing we're right here. Right there as we are. And where we're trying to get to. I think we're trying to get to here, I guess. So we gotta walk quite north. Alright. Let's continue. So as you can tell, it's getting a lot cloudier than before. Let's see if the weather holds up. Kinda hope it does, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. Bought a water earlier, but I'm feeling a little thirsty with the something sweet. Might get something else. Let's see. So I'm using Coke Pay right now. I kind of want a Coke. Yes. There we go. Cashless payment. Love to see it. Alright. I'm making my way north. It's actually a cloudy day, so it might be the best time to actually record. Because I don't have to worry about the sun's glare. Hopefully my audio is going through. This river is really loud. Not sure what that construction on the right side is. I'm assuming it has something to do with summer, where you can eat on the river. That's what I'm assuming. These I don't know, platforms. I guess it's not ready yet for this season, but alright. So we're still continuing up this path. So there's a lot more tourists up here, I guess. That makes kind of sense. Mostly everyone I saw up here was using the bus to get up here, so I was like one of the few that was actually walking. So yeah. So let's see what the temperature is like right now. This is about 24 degrees. Sounds about right. So I'll just continue walking up. But yeah, I haven't been here in quite a while. I've actually never walked through here, I think. I'm trying to remember if I took the bus here or a car. Pretty sure I took the car here last time, so yeah. Kind of new for me to walk through here. I think this is like the famous spot where you can eat on the river, I think. I'm trying to remember if it is. No, it's not. It's not. But I guess if you take the right here, it leads you to Kurama Temple. I guess I'll go through here. Never walked through. Should be interesting. So where are we? We're right here. Oops, sorry about saying it. So I guess take the road up. Okay. Guess we're gonna end on the back side of this route. Go before these guys. So, all right, let's see how far this is. I'm expecting it to be quite far. So yesterday I was on a quite a long hike, so hopefully my legs don't die out on me, but it should be fine, right? There's an old grandma trying to climb up this thing. But yeah. Whew. This temperature is beautiful though. 24 degrees, it's not humid. Yeah, quite ideal, to be honest with you. It's not even raining as well, so that's a bonus. Cloudy day, no rain. All right. Oh, okay, yeah, my legs. I can feel it. It's still aching. Yeah, it's a nice hike. All right. Guess nothing to show here, but yeah. Yeah, I don't think Grandma's making this trip. It's way too steep. I think I saw like their niece calling Grandma, saying it was way too steep. Yeah, I wouldn't come here if you don't think you have the stamina to climb. Like downwards, maybe, but upwards, whew, this is rough. All right, let's continue. Alright. So, continuing the trek. It's starting to rain a little. I have to get my handy dandy umbrella out in order not to get wet. Plus, since I think DJI Pocket is not ideal in rainy situations or wet situations, so probably not best to get it wet. Not taking my chances with this gimbal. Maybe if it was a GoPro, I wouldn't be wearing or using the umbrella, but yeah. Well, so far, so good, I guess. Getting my daily workout, climbing up this mountain. So far, I've only spent a couple hundred yen on drinks, and I think it was like 270 yen on the train ride, I think. So yeah, I haven't even spent like $10 yet, I think, so far. Eco-friendly traveling in Kyoto. Once you get here, doesn't usually cost that much to explore, I guess. Unless you want to go to like Disneyland or something. Does that look like a one of those like animal paths to you? It's like a natural pathway for animals. It's like a fallen tree. It's kind of hard to tell with a camera angle. But yeah, that's cool. Alright, I think we're making our way somewhere. What's that up ahead? Let's see. Looks like another shrine. Impressive that they built this out here. It's literally out in the middle of nowhere. You can tell by like the trees. There's a sign here that says, "Be careful of the frogs." You can hear some of the frogs. Alright, so the route, I guess it splits up from here. There's the sub route and the main route. I don't know what the Sakura-Beishi rock is, but I don't know, I'm not that interested, I feel. Like, you're looking at the stairs, it's kind of steep. I think I just want to feel like going the lesser steep route. Hopefully this is correct. It's a little further than the shorter route, but I don't know. I think I want to go to the shrine through the main route. See it from the face on. Whew. But yeah, it's kind of rough out here. Alright, what's the route? Okay, I guess I'm going this way. Because that's what this practicing. Go this way. Alright, heading towards the main area. Whew. Maybe I should have took the other route. I think this wasn't that worth. Oh my god. At least the rain is letting up though. Not sure if I want to put my umbrella away. Whew. Why am I doing this to myself every day? For the past like 4 days I've been hiking all day non-stop. Legs are killing me. Whew. But yeah, this is the exercise I needed, so that's why I'm pushing myself. But yeah, if I were you, I'd go down this route from the top, not start from the bottom, because it is quite tiring, if I say so myself. Whew. There's no way that grandma that was down there was gonna make it up here. No chance. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Guess I better muddle out. But yeah, look, these roots are quite something, huh? They're from the like spirited away the trees. All right. Let's see, 461. Wait, this one go right. Oh, there's a. It's called the Path of Tree Roots. Okay, so I'm not sure if this has anything to do with like
Un sacco di radici
Totoro,
degli
but
alberi,
interesting.
due cose di pietra.
Chiaro?
It's called the Kino-Nemichi, Path of the Tree Roots.
Questa è 30?
Alright. I think this is the route I want to take. Guess we're going down? Thought we're supposed to go up, but I guess we're making our way down, which is kind of worrying. Hopefully it's correct. If it's not correct, I'm gonna be very sad because I worked so hard climbing up. But this is a very long path down. Impressive, whoever made this. Not sure when they built this road, but it must have taken a long time getting all these rocks up here. Yeah, it's kind of impressive actually, when you think about it. But yeah, it's kind of slippery here, so don't want to slip up and fall. Is this the right path? I swear if I'm wasting my time going down, I'll be really sad. Okay, doesn't look like I'm wrong. 385 meters until the Honden Kondo, a main hall. See one of these once in a while. I'm guessing it's like a rest stop, maybe? I don't know. It's for the Jizo. Interesting. Alright, it looks like I've made it down to somewhere. Let's see what this is. This looks like It's a museum, I guess. And boy, is it raining hard. Can you hear the rain? Alright, I guess I shall continue my trek down amidst this rain. So, I guess these trees are stopping the rain from actually falling down on this area. It's interesting. It is soggy and wet outside, but I don't have an umbrella above me, and it's not getting me wet. So, I guess trees are kind of beneficial for that. So I'm gonna continue walking. The left here looks like there's something here. Let's see. I don't think it continues. Yeah. I'm just gonna continue going down. I'm kind of getting hungry, so I feel like getting something to eat, maybe. But yeah, feels good going downstairs instead of walking up, because I was getting quite tired of going up. So I guess I did climb quite high, considering how many stairs I'm going down. So yeah, this is the stick I was talking about right here. You can get these like sticks from the bucket to help you climb, but yeah. Guess this is is this the main area? Let's look at the map. So, oh, there's a cable car. Okay. So we are right here. So I walked from, I think, 41. So all the way up here, up to 35, I think, and then I walked all the way down to 29. So I feel like if this was like a normal day, this place would be packed with people. If I'm not wrong or mistaken. Yeah. Last time I came here, I think it was packed, actually. Just because it's a rainy day, it's quite empty. Oh, it's kind of windy. Alright, we'll make our way down, I guess. Gotta be careful, it's slippery. Alright. Oof, that's cold. That is really cold. That feels really good. Clean the handle and return it. Alright, I guess the cable car is done for today. I guess it's already that time. I just didn't realize it was that time, but look at this. This is a rest area. You got your vending machines. So yeah, if you want to go rest, it's a good spot to rest, I guess. But okay, so the left side is where the cable car is. Apparently it's already closed. Never mind, not this left. I guess I gotta keep following these stairs down. Unfortunate. car is done. I guess it's that kind of time, so there's no one here. Makes sense. Alright. We shall continue. So from here, it's easier to walk, which is nice. Alright, so 4:25 is the last time for the cable car, and right now it is 4:57. Good job, genius. So, yeah. If I was to take the cable car, I'd go this way, but guess I gotta go to the right. 542 meters. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Gotta see this view. Oh my god. There's a monkey. Wow, that is beautiful. I've never seen a monkey out in the wild. That is a beautiful sight to see. He's just eating the grass. Kawaii. He's so cute. Or Shay, I'm not sure. Just minding their own business. Oh my god, they're actually coming really close. What a beautiful creature. Is that my ancestor right there? Hello, Grandma, Grandpa. Aw, shame I don't have any apples or any. I guess I'm not allowed to feed these things. But, wow. I'm surprised it's not scared of me. I was so bummed that I couldn't see it in Arashiyama, but to think that I'd see a monkey out here. Wow, beautiful. Just beautiful. Just minding their own business. At first I didn't realize what it was. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Wow. That's beautiful. Oh, there's another one. Do you see it? It's right there in front of me. What a cutie. Goodbye. Goodbye, little monkey. Alright. Almost down to the bottom. Oh, wait, I'm not even close, am I? 300 meters, I think. I actually don't know where I should be going, but... Alright, I guess we'll head down. Seeing those monkeys was like my highlight of my day. I was not expecting to see that. I'm going to assume that those two were a couple. They looked like... one looked bigger than the other for a fact, so... Hello, pigeon. What are you doing? Cute little bugger. Not a monkey, but you are cute. I don't know what that is. It looks like a big statue. I just walked by because I kind of want to get closer to the station. It's called the Monument of Life. That's what that statue is apparently. Interesting. Not sure if the English translation is correct, but we'll take it. Alright, there's another beautiful piece of architecture. Looks close though. I wonder why. So, let's see. No real explanation on what this is, but according to whatever is written over here in Japanese, I guess it's for having prosperous and successful, I guess, marriage as well as giving birth, which is quite nice to see. I guess there's like a festival in October, a fire festival. Yeah. Alright, I guess we'll continue making our way down now. Once again. So this is the Osugi. What is it in English? Dang it. I don't know what it's in English. But it's expected life is 800 years. About 53 meters tall. Wow. This beautiful tree is quite old. How beautiful is that? And I'm what? I don't even want to compare my life to that. But yeah, up ahead is a beautiful looking structure. I like how the roof is like has moss growing on it. Not sure if that was planned or it just happened because of this unique area, but yeah, this is the is that Shiga Shrine? Is that what it says? Wow. But yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful piece of architecture. Must be nice coming here during a festival. But yeah, there's no one here. I'm surprised. Alright, I think I made my way down. So left side looks like maybe that's where the ropeway starts. Not entirely sure. But yeah, this is I think the end of my adventure. I've walked quite a while. Oh, and I think this is the famous spot where people usually take pictures, I think. Alright, I've walked quite the distance, fellas. Right now I'm just heading back to, I think, Kurama Station. Alright, I found something interesting. It looks like this is a moss ball bonsai station. That's cool. This is what I just bought recently. So I guess they sell the moss balls as well. Huh. Interesting. They sell like these rocks. So I guess use as foundations as well. Yeah. So the one I have right now is, I think, this one, the Kuromatsu moss ball. This one's much bigger than mine, but that's cool. Nice seeing one of these out here, I guess. It's one of those stations that are unmanned. I love living out here. I love nature. It is beautiful out here. So I thought the Kurama Station was close, but it's actually quite far. But we'll get there eventually. Best part of an adventure is walking. Am I right or am I right? Probably wrong. Oh look, this is a post office. It's kind of fashionable. Kurama Post Office. Yeah, the post offices in Japan, they're kind of cool. Or in Kyoto, I mean. Especially. They don't look like post offices. Like even the bathrooms, they don't look like bathrooms at a glance. Which is something you'd only see in Kyoto. But yeah, as you can tell, it's a gloomy day out here. Very gloomy. I wonder how this picture quality on the Osmo 3 Pocket 3 is. Like, I'm using the normal color settings because DaVinci, the standard version, doesn't accept the 10-bit or whatever bit coloring on the D-Log, which is unfortunate. I might get the Pro version, but I don't really feel like it. I'd rather just use the normal color profile because it's less work. I don't really want to spend too much time color grading my stuff. I'd rather just leave it like how it is. I kind of feel like the colors are pretty nice. It's not too bad. I should probably color grade if I'm planning on using like my Sony ZV-1 or my smartphone or GoPro. But for now, I'm just using this camera to record my travel vlogs, I should say. So, not really in a hurry to use the D-Log format, color code my vlogs. It's not like those high-end vlogs, just a vlog to remember where I've been, where I've gone, just to, I know, look back in the future and say, hey, I've been there. I might want to go there again, see how much it's changed. Because so far, I don't know. It's been fun recording these vlogs. You get that eye from some people, but yeah, those people, I mean, I guess they take pictures, so they have some sort of vlog, but I take videos, so I can fully grasp what I was going through at that time. Alright, am I going the right way or am I going the wrong way? Hopefully I'm going the right way, because if I'm going the wrong way, I will be extremely sad. Alright, so I think the station is up here. Let's see. I just saw a train go by, but I think it was going the other way, so I don't think I missed it. But how do I get to the train station? What? Okay, I don't think it's this way, is it? Let's go walking up here, I guess. So that for sure is a train. I'm just staring right at it. I think this is the train station. Well, I did miss this train station, yes. Question is, where is this train going? Oh wait, this is the last stop. So, this is going back. Oh, I better get on there real quick. Oh. I guess I should probably board this train. Apparently I'm the only one riding this train. Can you believe that? I'm the only one on this train. Can you believe that? I'm the only one. We're back at Demachiyanagi Station. Well, that was quite the adventure, I guess. So I left my house at around, what, 12 p.m.? Was it 1 p.m. maybe? And right Right now it's about 6:40. I've been out for like 5 hours, I guess.